Ever wondered how you can keep your diesel engine running cleaner and more efficiently without chasing gimmicks? Don't worry, we've got you covered with picks that actually work. Today, I'm going to be going over the best diesel fuel additives that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Hotshot Secret EDT. From the start, this additive appears aimed at fleet operators and serious daily drivers seeking reliability and simplified maintenance. The packaging feels sturdy, and the bottle design suggests a product that will withstand regular handling in busy service bays. It appears tailored for professional users who service multiple diesel engines, including trucks, RVs, and agricultural equipment. The EDT is built with a resistant plastic container and a screw cap that provides reliable seal during transit and storage. Its compact 8-ounce bottle rides neatly in a tool chest and is labeled with clear dosing instructions. The formulation emphasizes a balanced blend of detergents and lubricity additives designed to reduce friction in high-pressure diesel systems. A key feature is a cetane booster included in the mix, enhancing combustion efficiency and cleaner burn across modern engines. Another standout is its injector cleaning action that helps prevent buildup and maintain consistent spray patterns over time. Designed for North American diesel fuels, it works with ULSD and common blends while remaining compatible with most modern engines. In dry lab-style evaluations, the EDT showed improved cold start performance and smoother idle on engines under heavy torque. During field tests across trucks and farm equipment, users reported gentler throttle response and noticeable fuel economy gains after sustained use. The overall build and performance point to a product that reliably supports diesel systems without requiring complex dosing routines. Compared to Lucas diesel fuel treatment, Hotshot Secret ET cleans faster and delivers smoother operation across fleets. The pros include excellent fuel stabilization, diesel injector cleaning action, and simple pour bottle with clear dosing. The cons include premium price compared to budget options, and dosing requires careful attention to avoid overuse or waste. At number 4, we have the Hotshot Secret EDT. Right out of the box, Hotshot Secret ET presents a compact, rugged bottle tailored to fleet operators and enthusiast diesel users. From a design perspective, the EDT borrows a simple punch cap, rugged label, and compact bottle that minimizes space in toolkits. It clearly targets diesel truck owners, maintenance fleets, and performance enthusiasts seeking reliability and smoother operation in daily heavy-duty driving. Capacity and dosing are straightforward, with a 32-ounce bottle that integrates easily into standard fuel lines and maintenance routines. Weighing out the handling and dimensions, the EDT uses a sturdy translucent container, precise pour spout, and clear measurement marks for accurate dosing. Its formula remains compatible with common diesel blends, reducing varnish formation and providing corrosion protection while maintaining injector compatibility across engines. Hotshot Secret ET uses a balance of detergents and lubricity additives to keep fuel system components clean during frequent driving. In our testing, the blend shows noticeable cetane uplift, smoothing engine torques and reducing throttle lag on cold starts. During highway stretches and load hauling, EDT delivered smoother idling, improved throttle response, and a measurable reduction in intake deposits across multiple tests. It also contributed to easier cold starts in winter environments and showed consistent performance across varying diesel qualities and temperatures. Real-world fleet testing indicated fewer injector cleanings, smoother starts across diverse temperatures, and reduced maintenance surprises in demanding duty cycles. Users should follow dosing instructions closely, as overuse yields diminishing returns while underuse can blunt expected cleanliness benefits. In head-to-head testing, EDT performed similarly to Power Service Diesel Clean but showed noticeably smoother cold starts and cleaner injector spray. The pros include improved cold starts, cleaner injectors, and storage stability. The cons include higher price and not a miracle cure for extreme fuel system issues with diminishing returns when engines already run clean. At number 3, we have the Hotshot Secret EDT. Initial impressions reveal a compact bottle with clear labeling, sturdy cap, and a balanced ergonomic grip that suggests durable daily use. The bottle features a spill-resistant seal and reinforced neck for confident handling during refills and on-shelf demonstrations. Its dimensions align with standard diesel additive containers, maximizing compatibility with common storage setups and minimizing space conflicts in crowded garages. This Hotshot Secret ET targets fleet operators, long-haul drivers, and diesel enthusiasts seeking cleaner combustion and smoother operation. Technically, it emphasizes cetane enhancement and lubricity, aiming to deliver smoother starts and improved combustion stability under varying temperatures in real-world use. The formulation includes deposit-reducing cleaners and lubricity agents designed to minimize injector deposits, sustain spray patterns, and maintain efficient fuel atomization. In controlled lab simulations, it showed measurable improvements in cetane indicators and cleaner throttle response, signaling potential real-world benefits. During highway runs and heavy towing, testers reported steadier idle, reduced white smoke, and a noticeable drop in exhaust odor. Compared to Lucas Oil diesel fuel treatment, Hotshot Secret Et delivered more consistent fuel economy gains and fewer power fluctuations under load. The pros include enhanced lubrication, reduced injector deposits, and improved fuel economy. The cons include higher price point and mild diesel odor. For budget-minded buyers, the cost may be a consideration, yet the potential long-term engine cleanliness could offset the initial premium. Overall, Hotshot Secret Et presents a compelling option for fleets and serious enthusiasts seeking measurable performance gains and proven cleanliness benefits. Ultimately, Hotshot Secret Et should be considered by those prioritizing efficiency, smoother starts, and injector cleanliness on long routes. At number 2, we have the Hotshot Secret Diesel Extreme, a premium diesel additive position for serious performance use and everyday reliability. For diesel hobbyists, fleet operators, and enthusiasts seeking protective measures, this product promises cleaner injectors and smoother cold starts. Despite being a concentrated formula, the bottle design emphasizes straightforward dosing for consistent results across a wide range of diesel engines. The packaging shows a rugged plastic bottle with a child-proof cap and clear labeling that communicates dosage instructions and safety measures. The dispensing cap ensures precise pours, while the seal remains dependable, preventing leaks during transportation and storage in variable climates. Overall dimensions fit standard storage spaces, and the bottle's weight balances portability with enough mass to avoid tipping during handling. Diesel Extreme combines a powerful cetane boost with injector cleaning action, while stabilizing diesel to resist fuel breakdown under heat and aging. It also claims water separation properties that help remove moisture from diesel, reducing microbial growth and corrosion potential in harsh climates. Field tests show improved fuel stability and cleaner intake paths when used regularly, translating into smoother idle and more consistent engine response. In a fleet trial, engines ran noticeably quieter under load, with fewer cold start complaints and improved combustion efficiency across varying diesel grades. For enthusiasts testing on older diesel platforms, injectors appeared freer of varnish buildup, and fuel system cleanliness contributed to steadier throttle response. While results vary by engine, consistent dosing yielded measurable cetane improvements and reduced gel risk during cold weather. Compared to Lucas diesel fuel treatment, Diesel Extreme delivers stronger cetane boost and cleaner injectors, though at a higher price. In practice, the pros include a notable cetane boost, consistent injector cleaning power, and effective water separation for moisture control. The cons include higher price and sporadic availability, plus a somewhat complex dosing schedule that can complicate routine use for casual owners. At number 1, we have the Hotshot Secret Diesel Extreme. From the moment you crack the bottle, you sense a professional formulation aimed at diesel enthusiasts seeking reliable engine protection and performance. The product arrives in a robust amber bottle with a child-proof cap, projecting durable lab-grade reliability and precise dosing. The labeling is clear, featuring volumetric measurement guidelines and safety notices, while the cap remains child-proof to prevent accidental dispensing. Viscosity remains manageable across winter and summer temperatures, ensuring smooth injection, consistent flow, and compatibility with common diesel blends without gummy residues. Chemistry leverages detergents, lubricity enhancers, and cetane boosters to combat deposit buildup while maintaining lubricity at ultra-lean fuel ratios. It targets injectors, combustion chambers, and intake ports with targeted cleaners, while minimizing turbocharger wear through protective film formation during high-speed operation. Users report noticeable ignition improvement, smoother idle, and a stronger pull after treatment cycles, corroborating lab data with real-world dyno-style observations. Across long-distance runs, consumption often stabilizes, with some drivers noting modest fuel economy gains from cleaner injectors and optimized combustion. During cold starts and harsh climates, Diesel Extreme helps maintain adequate cetane, reducing white smoke and improving throttle response after rapid warming. Veteran fleet users report less injector varnish, reduced maintenance intervals, and fewer fuel-related trips to the shop when consistently applying the additive. Compared with Standardine Performance formula, Diesel Extreme delivers a higher cetane boost, and more aggressive deposit control under heavy truck duty. The pros include superior injector cleaning power, notable cetane boost for cold starts, and excellent lubricity protection for modern common rail systems. The cons include higher price relative to many competitors, and dosing requires consistent adherence for best results, which may deter budget-minded buyers.